Alright guys, we have arrived here at European Auto Group located in San Antonio, Texas. And I got an invite to come down to the shop and check out their brand new 2020 Supra that's already got some really nice upgrades on it. From what I've heard, it's got upgraded turbos from pure turbos, and then downpipes and a tune. And recent dyno session, it put down 527 horsepower to the wheels. That's pretty sweet. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to go do a quick review of this car. I've never seen one in person, never even sat in one in person, so I'm pretty excited to check it out. Since these things are so new to the market, no one's even seen one. So let's go check in with my buddy Merrick.
The 2020 Supra.
This is the one you're going to be driving today.
It still has the paper plates.
Check that out.
Brand freaking new. You know what, guys? This
the world's
thing
fastest horsepower Supra right now.
It still smells brand new. So tell me a little bit about your Supra here, buddy.
All of the rumors are true. Everybody, oh, nice E4. Yeah, it is. It really is. You look right there. That's the BMW.
Wow, look at that.
It's
Straight
everywhere.
from Germany, dude.
Yeah, it really is.
Check these wheels. I think they did a nice job on the wheels.
Okay, so this right here is the world famous gated scud. This is a 430 Scuderia.
Yep.
The consensus is about 515 of these cars were ever made. It's a consensus because Ferrari stopped putting production numbers on their cars because they got in trouble for making more Ferraris than they said. So they said, screw that, they're not doing it. But we know for a fact that 515 of these cars at least exist. This has the gated 6-speed.
Wow, look at that.
It's kind of taken apart with, you know, regular maintenance and stuff. But
sure.
So this car has, don't mind the mess, but it's all carbon fiber everywhere, just like a regular Scuderia. But this car has the $54,000 upgrade package. And another cool part about this car is that this one has a radio, and these cars never came with a radio. But everything, the engine bay, it's all carbon fiber. It's super cool, super light, and it's the only one in the world with a gated 6-speed. When we started the project, Ferrari said, good luck, you'll never be able to do it, and we did it.
What else should we know about this awesome thing?
So there's a big misconception. A lot of people think that we took a 6-speed manual from an F430, which is the baby brother of the Scuderia, and that we took it out and put it in the Scud. That is not the case. This car still uses the Superfast 2 transmission that came with the car, and that by itself is super amazing. And I can tell you that Ferrari missed out by not making manuals in this transmission because it's ridiculously quick. It's so smooth.
Alright, this is the part I've been waiting for. Let's go hop in this 2020 Supra and take it for a test drive.
Boom. Oh, that sounds really nice. Just fires right up. Wow. So fit and finish, I really like it, man. Really good ergonomics, I fit great. So if you're a 6-foot person, don't worry, man, you're gonna fit just right. There we go. So we got this in manual mode right off the bat. That's the way to do it. Nice and smooth, nice and smooth. Yeah. Man, this thing is easy to drive. Sounds good. So that was just a small corner, but you can tell it stays nice and planted. I really like that feel. So you feel pretty confident in the car. Just that initial turn through the corner, you feel real confident. Oh, brakes work good too. They work really good. Stop on a dime, I swear. Alright, that's good. Ooh, nice Porsche.
What the hell is it? What is this license plate?
It says number, it's a Y. Are you allowed to do that? I don't know, man.
What?
That looks a little bit illegal.
It says why.
Well, that's why. You're like, why do you have that license plate?
Oh, you got us then. That's it.
Well, you don't have to worry about getting on the acceleration ramp, man. You just give it a little bit of gas, boom, you're on. Woo! Just a little bit of throttle, and it's just like, boom, you're up to speed. We'll do a quick third gear pull. Ready? Yeah, that thing's got some pull. I mean, it put me in the seat. The butt dyno says that's awesome. But the thing is, when you accelerate, the car doesn't go left or right. It really hooks. It's got even hook. You know, even though it's rear wheel car, whereas the Lambo, I'm used to a four-wheel drive car. This one being rear wheel, it still gives you a lot of confidence to put all the power down. So back there, I put 100% of the power down. It didn't get squirrely. It hooked up. No traction control kicking on. No nannies. Just hooked up. Yeah, that was fun. So if you got a stock Supra, you're not going to have it stock for long when you know stuff like this is available. So yeah, so that little third gear pull we did back there that put me back in the seat, guess what? This thing has over 527 horsepower, and I just got to test drive it. How awesome is that? Yeah, that's the kind of stuff you want to do. You want to find the highest horsepower Supra. You say, hey, can I have the keys? And these guys said, yeah, sure, man, take it out. This thing, it performed flawlessly in our little test drive. You know, we took around town, went down the highway, you know, no problems whatsoever. So if you had to daily drive this thing, piece of cake. Yeah, this thing has plenty of room inside. Even though it's a two-seater, you still have a lot of storage space in the back. So you could go on a road trip with this, throw your luggage in there, no problem whatsoever. It gets good gas mileage, lots of fun. All around car, take it to the track, daily drive it. Okay, that was pretty quick. That was quick. Oh man, this thing is gonna get someone in trouble. And we're good. Sweet. Oh, it sounds so good. Okay. That's got some power. That's fun, man. All right, so we're gonna pull over here and we're gonna take a closer look at this bad boy. I'll tell you all about it. All right, guys, I just took this bad boy for a ride. I'm impressed. These guys did an awesome job. You can definitely tell the added power with that downpipe, the tune. It sounds awesome. The throttle response is awesome. The fast shifting is awesome. The other fun part is like when you let off the throttle, you get the, you know, the crackle and pop from that rear end. Oh man, it just adds to the experience. And I'm about 6'1", so I fit really good in this car. So if you're a tall guy, you got to put a helmet on to go to like a high performance event. You're gonna have a whole lot of fun in this car. So I'm impressed. You guys did a great job. So take it to these guys, they know what they're doing. It's a cool car, and the designs are really, really nice. You can kind of tell they did get some takeaways from, you know, like the Mark IV Supra. You can kind of see that in this body design, but it really flows really well, as you can see here. I really like the wheels. These are nice sized wheels. Plenty of grip. Like when I had this out on the road, you can definitely feel in the steering wheel it handled really good. You had a lot of confidence in it. I really like how they did the front end. The front splitter is really, really nice. I like the headlight design. So overall, if you saw this thing in your rear view mirror, you'd be like, oh crap, that thing is awesome. So I really like it.
All right, so let's take a look at this interior. As you can see, it's well appointed with leather sport bucket seats. They're really, really comfortable. I fit great in them. They're power adjustable. The seating position is really, really nice. Driver focused, easy access to all the controls, great visibility. You have a nice media screen with a backup camera that's very useful. So overall, really, really nice laid out cabin, really comfortable. So I think you guys are going to really enjoy being behind the wheel of this one. Alright, so that wraps up my test drive and review of this awesome 2020 Supra. Big shout out to the guys over at European Auto Group, so be sure to check them out, and I'll see you guys next video.